Megafiller 2600, a high-build, fast-drying acrylic primer. This primer ensures significant savings in time and energy for your workshop. Available in 3 colors: white, grey and black. Excellent insulating and anti-corrosion properties. Compatible with cataphoretic substrates without the need for sanding. Simply degrease the surface with plus 780 degreaser before application. Technical tips. Mixing ratio 4:1. Add up to 10% acrylic thinner. Standard version pot life is up to 20 minutes. Use a spray gun with a 1.6 to 1.8 mm nozzle diameter. Apply up to 3 coats of primer. Flash off time between coats 5 to 10 minutes. Ready for sanding in the standard version is achieved after 90 minutes. Dry initial sanding, use P240 to P320 grit sandpaper. Dry finish sanding, use P360 to P500 grit sandpaper. Wet finish sanding, use P800 to P1000 grit sandpaper. Detailed information about the product is available in the technical datasheets, on the packaging and in the description below the video. Make sure to check out other Novell products. Novell. We're with you every step of the way.